Hello everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at how we can save time using AWPBI's hierarchy tree in Excel 3D. Let's get started. So the first step is to open our native selection tree. So we can do that by clicking browser, and we can immediately see that this list is long, cumbersome, it's not organized in any sort of meaningful way, and it's very difficult for us to interact with it in a meaningful fashion. So as a solution to this problem, we've developed our own custom panel that can be opened by clicking on the hierarchy button in our 3D viewer. And here we notice that in the top section, we have a list of the properties that are available in the model that we can select from and manipulate to start building out our hierarchy tree. As an example of this, we can start by first selecting the IWP field, and we notice that the hierarchy tree that gets generated is still relatively long and difficult to interact with. So at this point, we can actually go and select discipline as a secondary field. And then if we were to swap those, we notice that now we have a very streamlined hierarchy tree where all of the objects are first sorted by their discipline attribute and then by their IWP. And of course, we're not just limited to those two categories. The user has full customizability over which properties they would like to include in their tree and the order that they appear in. For example, if we select area and drag it into the top level of our hierarchy, we notice how quickly, neatly, and efficiently our hierarchy tree gets reorganized and displayed. Thanks again for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the content and stay tuned for our next video.